Hello students, this is Firdaus. As you all know that I am your math teacher. So today I am going to teach you class 4 mathematics. Okay. In this class I will introduce you about a 6-digit number. So in this session we will going to learn about the how to write a 6-digit number according to Indian place value system, okay, and how to write a number in words, okay. So without any further ado, let's start our class. So see, you can see here, this is your textbook of class 4 mathematics as a learning math. So introduction of 6-digit numbers. As we all know that there are 999, that is 59 is the largest 5-digit number, and on the abacus is shown as. Then I will show you the when you add when you add 1 to the largest 5-digit number, then you will get the 6-digit smallest number. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6-digit smallest number, okay. And the 6-digit largest number is what? 6-digit largest number is what? That is 999999. This is your 6-digit largest number. So now see the periods and Indian place value system. Periods and the Indian place value system. So you have a 6-digit number again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in 6-digit number you have a 3 periods. That is, first period is ones, second period is thousand, and third one you have, that is lakh. Okay, so how can you read the 6-digit number? That is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So these first three numbers from the right side is a ones period, last 3 digits, and this is your thousand period, next 2 digits, and this is your lakh period. So how many of periods does 6 digits have? So you have answer, that is 3 periods. See, 1 period, 2 period and third period. See, you can easily see here. So 3 periods, 6 digit have a 3 periods, okay. So now in this session we are going to learn also about the how to write a place value and the face value also. So this, see here, these three, for these three, ones, tens, hundreds, that is 382, and thousand, 10,000, that is 65,000. This is the 3 lakh, okay. So now how can you write the place value? See here, 2 ones, 5 tens, 9 hundreds, okay, and 3,000, 8 80,000 and 7 70,000, okay. So now I am going to solve exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4 you have a first question, that is fill in the blanks. So here there are blank places value in a 6-digit number. So as I discussed, you have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 places. These are your 6 places. Now there is the smallest 6-digit number. Which is the smallest? 10,000. It is 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number, and 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. And there are how many periods? That is 3 periods. That is 3 periods, as we talked about before. See, 1 period, 2 periods and 3 periods. So 6 digits have a 3 periods, and blank, blank and blank are in the ones period. तो ones period में क्या क्या होता है? ones period में क्या होता है आपका? 100,000, 100 tens and ones. one period में क्या होता है आपका? 100 tens and ones. Dash and dash are the in the 1,000 periods. That is 1,000 periods में क्या होता है आपका? 10,000, 10,000 and 1,000. Okay, so this is how you can fill the blanks. 10,000 and 1,000, 100 tens and ones are in the ones period. Now in question number 2, you have to put a comma according to Indian place value system and write the number names here, okay. You have to put a comma according to Indian place value system. Okay, as I talked in our previous class that according to Indian place value system, first you have to put a comma before a back side, before right side, before 3 digits. So here I am writing again 4 8 3 6 9. So first you have to put a comma before 3 digits, then repeat it after 2 digits. Okay, so now here 294320. So here you have to put a comma before 3 digits, then before 2 digits according to Indian place value system. First आपको 3 से पहले comma put करना है, then आपको repeat करना है 2 digits. Okay, so here you have to put a comma and write the number name also. So now let's count it: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is your 48,000. 48,000 369. So this is how you can write a number name. Okay, now in question number E, see, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So here you have to write 2 lakh. It is 2 lakh 94,000 and 300 and 20. So this is how you can put a comma and write a number name. So as I hope you all understand. So now in question number 3, here you have given the number, that is 6,43,987. 6,43,987. Consider digits 4 and write its. कंसीडर डिजिट्स 4, यानी कि यहाँ पे कौन सा डिजिट आपको लेट करना है? 4 डिजिट, 4 जो है ये वाला 4. तो 4 का पीरियड क्या होगा? वंस, टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000. तो पीरियड ऑफ 4 यू हैव दैट इज 1000. पीरियड क्या है इसका? 1000. एंड व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू? दैट इज फेस वैल्यू इज 4 एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू इज 10,000. देखिए पीरियड इसका क्या है? थाउजेंड्स. पीरियड इसका क्या है? 1000. 4 का पीरियड 1000 में आ रहा है ना. देखो ये वाला वंस के ग्रुप में आता है, ये 3, और उसके बाद ये 1000 और ये लेग के ग्रुप में आता है. तो हियर ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कंसिडर 4. सो हियर यू हैव 4. सो नाउ अगेन द पीरियड ऑफ दिस 4 इज वंस. ओके, देखिए यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट आपका वंस में आता है, तो ये आपका हो गया. नाउ फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 4 एंड द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 4 इज 100. Okay, this is how you can solve. Now here you have to consider a 0 here. So period of 0 is again 1000. Okay, period of 0 is 1000 and the face value is 0 is 0 and the place value of 0 is 1000 again. So this is how you can solve the rest of others. Now in question number 4 you have given write the numeral for each of the following. आपको नंबर का राइट नंबर में लिखना है. ये गिवन है वर्ड में, आपको नंबर लिखना है. ओके, सो हियर इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू हैव गिवन 1,80,192. तो एज आई टॉक्ड इन आवर प्रीवियस क्लास दैट वेन एवर यू हैव टू राइट इन द न्यूमेरल फॉर्म्स गिवन वर्ड्स, देन यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बैक साइड फर्स्ट. सो हियर 92 and 892. So see here you have 892. See, ones, tens, 100, 800 is enough. Now put the comma here. See in question number A whether here is given the 1000 terms. No, see 1000 terms is not given, so you have to put in place of 1000 0. That is this for 1000 and this for 10,000. 10,000 is also missing here, that's why you have to put here 0 and put a comma, and 1 lakh is given, so you have to write this. Okay, so इस तरह से आपको follow करना है. Then again 3,44,009. So now you have to write here back side from 9. See whether here is given the 100 or the 10 terms. No, so you have to put here 0 and 0. Now 44,000, that is a 44,000, and 3 lakh, that is 3 lakh. So this is how you can solve the rest of others. Now in question number 5 you have given a abacus. Okay, as you know how to solve it. Okay, count the beds. You have to count the beds and write the how many beds are here, right here, and write the number name also according to Indian place value system. And here also same, you have to put a beds, okay, inside the bar and write the number name. It is very simple. Now I will teach you how to write a number name according to International Place Value System. How to write a number name according to International Place Value System. So see, according to International Place Value System, if you have given according to International Place Value System, I will show you 6 digit or 8 digit number. I am taking. That is you are understand very well properly. Okay, so in 8 digits I am taking suppose 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 3 and 1. So this is your 8 digit number. So in 8 digit number, according to international place value system, how can you put a comma? How can you put a comma? So first you have to put a comma before 3 digits, then repeat it after 3 digits. आपको 3 डिजिट्स का फॉर्म करके आपको कॉमा पुट करना है 3 डिजिट. लेकिन वहाँ पे क्या था, फर्स्ट आपको 3 डिजिट पुट करना था 3 डिजिट से पहले, देन आपको 2 डिजिट से पहले पुट करना था. किसमें इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू सिस्टम में. बट हियर यू हैव टू पुट अ कॉमा बिफोर 3 डिजिट्स, देन रिपीट इट बिफोर 3 डिजिट्स. So this is how you have to put a comma according to International Place Value System. Now how can you write a number name? So period, these 3, okay, lie on ones period. Period of this is ones, that is ones में फिर 3 आता था आपका क्या ones, tens और 100. और ये 3 किसका आता है, ये 3 आता है आपका 1000 का. ये किसका आता है, thousands का आता है. और इस 1000 से 3 निकलता है 1000, 10,000 and you have 100,000. So this is what 345 and what is this 1000 and 631. Okay, and this is, and the third, it is the period of this is what, millions. And again if I am taking here 1 again, so ones million, tens million and 100 million. See, this is how you can write a number name according to International Place Value System. Okay, so now here you have given also, see, ones period 1, 10, 100, and in 1000 also three places 1, 2, 3. See, 10,000, th for th stand for 1000 and th stand t for 10, th for 1000, 10,000, h for 100 and th for 100,000. So now I am going to solve exercise 1.5, which is based on the place value of a number according to international, okay, system. So here you have to put a comma. Here you have to put a comma in a given numbers according to, see here, International Place Value System. Write their number name also. So as I talked before, that according to international system, you have to put a comma. You have to put a comma before 3 digits, then 3 digits. Repeat करना. तो यहाँ पे 3 digits है, खत्म हो गया. So and the period of these 3 are what, ones, and these 3 are 1000. So now here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh not 100,000. So here you have 120,000, because ये 3 आपका देखो 1000, 10,000, 100,000 किस में आता है, 1000 में, तो उसको एक साथ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. 111,000, 111,000. सो यहाँ पे भी आपको इस तरह से पढ़ना है. यहाँ पे कैसे पढ़ना है आपको, वंस, टेंस, 100, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 120,000. These three period of these three are 1,000. So right here 120,000, 120,000 and 3. Now in this, see, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and you have to put a comma, three digits repeat करना आपको. So I think you all understand. See here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here 322,896. So and here 406,000, because ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So here you have 406,000 and the 487 according to International Place Value System. Now here you have to write a number name according to International Place Value System. Okay, so first question, in question number 2, or 84,251. So 251 and 84,000. 200,000. See, 200,000 and 503. So first write here 3 0. So this is your 5 ones, tens, 100, 503, and here 200, that is ones, tens and 100. So 200,000, 200,000, 413,000, 413,000 and 164, 164 and 413,000, 413,000, 922,000 and 740. So 740 and 922. So 922,000. So this is how you can solve exercise 1.5. So do exercise 1.4 and 1.5 in your school notebook. Okay then class, thank you.